Good morning. We start our journey in parallel streams. I know some of the cascading style sheets, some topics are left, but in parallel, let us learn one BPM. Okay, I know you all might have created Pega Academy login. So, in that, click on training, click on view certifications. So once you click on view certifications, you will be landing in this page. So as an aspirant of getting a job in information technology, there are a lot of avenues which help us. One of them, and the popular one, is Pega BPM. And there, let us start system architect course. Okay, let me click on this. So this, what is Pega? Pega is a business process management system. So it helps every business to process its and manage its entrepreneurs to put things in a right way in a less amount of time. There is no coding in it, but everything is configurable. So this is a course of architect. It is system architect code. So here we configure everything. So let us see. There are three missions, and let us learn one by one. So So let us take this code, low code app builder. LS code, low code app builder. This mission, every mission tells us or illustrates us how to learn uh, Pega concepts or what type of configuration is required to build an application in Pega. Okay. Low code means coding is very less. So using low code we build an application. So that's what it is called, low code app builder. It is designed for individuals who are new to Pega platform and may aspire to achieve system architect certification. This course is tailored for users who may not have a technical background or who may not have a prior experience with Pega but are eager to kickstart their journey in Pega platform development. So, by completing the low code app builder mission, participants will gain a foundational understanding of key concepts within the Pega platform, empowering them to efficiently build applications using low-code methods that advance the digital transformation of organizations. As we hear, a lot of digitalization is going on around us. We are part of that, which cannot be avoided, right? Let us start it. So we go through each and every mission and we also complete exercises. Okay. Um, so let us begin the code app builder mission. So before that, let us see. Just scroll down. You have this mission, right? Let us enter into this mission So as we know, it is a mission which helps us. So let us define our mission. So Pega is a platform which helps us to build low-code app builders, right? So let us discuss topics one by one. Okay. Forrester is the independent consortium, describes low-code development as a product or a cloud service for application development that employ visual declarative techniques instead of programming. Earlier we used to use programming languages, we used to write thousands of lines of code, we used to type it. Even now for HTML, CSS, we have typed things and we have created some fonts, we have seen the screen, but using this you can represent your applications. JavaScript, you can use that. C++, programming language C, lot of other technologies are there using which you do coding. But to build applications in Pega platform, we do not use any sort of coding. What we do, we use visual and declarative techniques. So there is a grammar defined how to declare a thing, how to configure. We use that and all configurations they lead us to build an application or a project. Okay. So earlier they have explained us how things they looked. This is earlier and this is now with Pega. Okay. So they are explaining how things they became useful for us, right? So what value does low code add? Creating a powerful software is vital to organizations as the need for rapid transformation outspaces outpaces the traditional one size fits all approach where large teams of developers build proprietary solutions. So with Pega BPM, you are not going to write any code, whereas you just drag and drop wire the things. Wire the thing means you are putting arrow marks. Okay. The business situation is that suppose I am an entrepreneur, right? I have established business with me. Turnover is some crores of rupees, and it is running in physical model. And someone has told me a computer is there. You need to launch a new product. In this era of digitalization, if I want to launch a new product, it has to be through website only, right? How much time it will take, and there are my competitors. I should launch that product within a short span of time with all facilities within, right? So that rapid transformation will be provided by Pega with all entrepreneur required facilities Pega gives, and no coding is required for the low code model. Everything you have to drag and drop. Visually components will be there, you have to drag them, put arrow marks, and you have to configure those arrow marks. So that is what low code, and the value addition of low code to business is that, right? And there are a lot of tools. Okay. So in low code model or in Pega, visually driven end to end application development tools are there. Okay. And users, we call them as citizen developers. So there are two types of developers, citizen developer and uh, professional developers. So professional developers and citizen developers we call them. So low code, what does it do? It enables the non-developers, people who are not even technical professionals, they can develop or they can create application code. So what type of code it generates? It generates HTML, CSS, JavaScript oriented code it generates. Okay, so that's what one need to have insight of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Though we are not going to change any of that code, but one should have thorough knowledge of that. And internally it also generates JSP or Java oriented code. So all functionalities will be given for citizen developers. So main users from now on we call them citizen developers. So we have some studios. Now you know, right? Uh, if you want to create HTML web development code, you need to have some editor. So here we have studios because visually drag and droppable items will be there in each and every studio, right? So we have 4 studios. So Pega enables us to work in studios. Okay. So in that studio we craft our solution to our business problems and we visualize the business logic. Okay. So that is what we do in low code development. Okay, let us see next topic. So what type of studios we have? We have App Studio, Dev Studio, Prediction Studio, Admin Studio. So App Studio means which helps us to design or to craft solutions for business architects, BAs, business analysts we call them, right? Citizen developers, normal users, and system architects, people like you and me who are learning this. Dev Studio, a low code authoring space, again it is a studio with a little bit advanced configurations compared to App Studio. Prediction Studio, an analytics space used by data scientists. There are people, professionals who analyze the data. Huge data will be there in business, right? They write queries, they predict what will happen if the input is this, like that. And Admin Studio to do administration of all the components we need Admin Studio. So there are 4 types of studios we have. As a best practice, system architects and other technical team members work from app studios. We start our app development in App Studio, and if required for advanced development, we go for Dev Studio. Okay, so here when you open each and every studio, what does it do? Pega has given that. Please go through that, and they have explained each component. Okay, what is Dev Studio? What type of icons are given in Dev Studio? Okay, so you have to see. Okay, like this. So you can drag and see what Dev Studio display menu names or icons depending on the screen size. Okay, if your screen size, depending on screen size, Dev Studio displays your menu options. Okay, so this gives us a better insight of Pega BPM Studio. Okay, so we can go or we can see the navigation. Please go through navigation, and in next session we cover more things. Thank you.